Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to another Unplanned video. Still in Geneva. Today is going to be a super slow-paced video. We're just chilling, just walking around, enjoying. We're in the park at the moment. The park's name will be here because I don't know what it's called. But we're just exploring around today, looking at some sights. So we're just looking at this. It shows you the mountains. Right there is Mont Blanc. That one you can see. There's a lot of clouds today, so you can't see them as strong as you can yesterday, but you can see a lot more detail of things without the sun. Look, so they've got built-in barbecues. You just bring your own stuff and cook away. That's so cool. Little birthday party here. Look at this little guy. Just stopped at this little cafe in the park here. Just got a little coffee and a coke and just enjoying this view. Right, we've just left that little cafe. That's the World Trade Organization building there, but we're heading up towards the Botanical Gardens now. This tree here is a gift from the US to the United Nations. After the Botanical Gardens, I think we're going to go and see the United Nations building, all the flags. This is a beautiful park now, right on the lake.
Look at the congas.
Look, Swiss conkers. Just got Pamela little Swiss conker here. Swanker. That's the World Trade Organization building. There, the security just been walking around it, so it must be pretty secure. But what a view they've got. Right, we've arrived at the Jardin de Botanique. Here we go, we start with this. Looks kind of like rocks in any other park. Oh, look at the Mickey Mouse cactus there. This is pretty nice though. So we've just got Chini Japons, this palm tree, pretty sick actually. Big leaves, little pond, lily pads there, nice plants. Nice park. So we've got this little greenhouse. We're looking for some tropical flowers and then we're going to go and see the animals. It's at the entrance to Jurassic Park Visitor Centre. Right, so come inside. These are African ones. It's Arabica coffee. Look at this though. Purple heart. I should just point out, I don't know any of these plants. I'm literally reading the signs, so don't think, oh, Dan's a botanical expert. I'm not. I've got all these cactuses here. Mexican, Peru, Mexican, Brazil. And this whole thing is completely free, which is insane. To walk around, see all these plants. Now we're off to see the animals. Look at the views. Beautiful. So here's the map. We've just been in here. Now we're going round to this, where the animals are, and then, well, that's still part of it. Have a look there, and then off to the Palace des Nations. Look, oh, absolutely stunning place. The view of the lake just out there. Look at it, it's absolutely beautiful. There's been so many of these little houses in the park, I don't know what they are. Look at these trees. Yeah, I absolutely love this style of tree. Look, why are they keeping this tree behind here? It does look a bit like a giraffe eating, mind that tree. And there's a big deer. But why are they keeping them behind this? Is it for them chickens? How dangerous are those chickens? So this is the opposite where we are now. Little cafe over there. Beautiful park though. Oh, there's deers just here. It's not for them chickens at all. Oh wow. Look, les bambis. Look at them.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Hi. Hi guys.
Hey.
They're just having their feed now. Look how happy they are. Just some flamingos chilling. Just in a little Japanese garden now. Look at this. Very zen. Wow, lotus flowers. It's very pretty. Actual bamboo. Right, this is number 12, I think. The tropical plants. Just gonna go and have a look inside here now. Look at this. Wow. This one's called Daniel. This one. Look at the leaves on that. This is crazy. Look at them leaves. Look, they put the trees together to hold them in. Clever.
Mais ça c'est quand elle pleurait. Mais non. Regarde, pas vite. Regarde-elle.
Look at these. There's my hand. Size of it. Look at this. This is the tropical greenhouse now. Look. Wow. Look at this. Poisonous. Toxic. I mean, it looks pretty toxic. It doesn't look inviting, does it? Look at that. Look at this up here. I still can't believe this whole thing is free. Like, it's so nice. It's a beautiful little part of the city. Anyway, I think we're going to the Palace of Nations now. Just look at this. Beautiful. Right, we're just leaving that beautiful botanical gardens now, and we're heading to the United Nations building, get some footage of all the flags and see it. What a beautiful day, like, although I haven't got the blazing hot sun, it's lovely exploring weather. Right, we're here, the UN building. Look at all them flags. Look at all those flags. Wow. And the broken chair just outside of it. Right, we're just sitting here now. We get a better view. And then the broken chair. See, because that leg's missing. And there's all the flags. Beautiful. Right, just leaving this little area. Getting a tram. Gonna get some lunch now. Beautiful place. We're going to get our first tram because it's included on our transport. So let's get on it. Ziplo. Right, got on our tram.
Is that fun?
I still can't believe a city of this, a country of this size, they give you free public transport all over. It's amazing. The aircon on here is beautiful. I don't think you need the aircon today though, but it is a nice touch. Right, we've just got off our first tram. We're at the train station again because our hotel's over there, but I think we're going to go for a taco at this little Mexican we've just found. Right, we're in Taco Rico. That is the burrito. Oh my god. We've got a margarita to share, and then this is the behemoth, big burrito. Oh my god. Pam's quesadillas arrived now. Spicy chicken and cheese with a side of guac. Look at that guac. Wow. You know you're at an expensive watch shop when they've just got a Ferrari parked inside. Wow. Look at that, 60k for a Patek. It's obviously not in the window because they're closed. But they've just left that $9,000 in the window.
He's just doing it. He's pecking me too because he's saying he wants some chocolate. Here you are then. Only because you asked nicely. Yeah.
Right, we're just getting back on the M2 now. Just have a little ride over the other side. It'd be awesome having one of these electric boats and just go wherever you want. Obviously not on a lake.